Welcome to Compare to Win. The best WH-1000XM5 is probably one of the most anticipated headphone releases of the year, and after spending considerable time with them, I can confidently say they live up to the hype, offering a truly immersive audio experience that redefines what we expect from premium noise-canceling headphones, making them a compelling choice for audiophiles and frequent travelers alike. Number 5. Sony WH-1000XM5 Noise-Canceling Headphones. Experience industry-leading noise cancellation, powered by advanced processors and multiple microphones. It intelligently adapts to your surroundings for optimal quiet. Enjoy breathtaking sound quality, meticulously engineered for pure audio fidelity. Every note is delivered with stunning clarity and depth. Stay connected with exceptional call clarity. Our advanced microphone system ensures your voice is heard loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Keep the music going with an impressive 30-hour battery life. A quick charge provides hours of playback, so you're always ready to listen. Designed for extended wear, these headphones offer a lightweight build and plush ear cups for ultimate comfort. You'll barely notice you're wearing them. Effortlessly switch between your devices. Stay connected to your phone and laptop without missing a beat. Take your audio experience anywhere with the included redesigned carry case. It offers convenient and stylish protection for your headphones. What we like. Experience unparalleled quiet with advanced noise cancellation that adapts to you. Enjoy crystal clear calls thanks to multiple microphones. If you prioritize the best sound isolation and call clarity for travel or focused work, these are the headphones for you. What people say. The noise cancellation is excellent, it really blocks out ambient sound effectively. Sound quality is superb, with clear highs and deep bass, making music immersive. The battery life is impressive, lasting for many hours on a single charge, which is great for long trips. Number 4. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. Introducing the Lutron Pico Remote, designed for seamless control of your Caseta Smart Dimmer switches. Effortlessly manage your lighting from anywhere in the room. This versatile remote allows you to turn your lights on or off with a simple press. You can also brighten or darken them to create the perfect ambience. Set your lights to your preferred level and recall it instantly with the preset button. Enjoy customized lighting without any hassle. Use it as a tabletop control or mount it on the wall for convenient access. Coordinating accessories are available separately to match your decor. With an impressive 10-year battery life, this remote is built to last. The battery is included, so you can start using it right away. This white Pico remote is the perfect addition to your Lutron Caseta system. Control your dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers with ease. What we like. Effortlessly control your Lutron Caseta lights with this versatile remote. Adjust brightness and recall favorite scenes with ease. If you want a simple, reliable way to manage your smart lighting without needing your phone, this is a great addition. What people say. The noise cancellation is absolutely phenomenal, it completely blocks out the world around you, making commutes and flights incredibly peaceful. Sound quality is superb, with rich bass and crisp highs. Music sounds incredibly immersive and detailed. The battery life is impressive, easily lasting through multiple days of heavy use on a single charge. Number 3. Bose QuietComfort 35-2 Noise-Canceling Headphones. Experience your music like never before with 3 levels of world-class noise cancellation. Enjoy a better listening experience in any environment, blocking out distractions and focusing on what matters. Access your music, information, and more with just your voice. It's enabled with Alexa, putting control right at your fingertips, or rather, your vocal cords. Enjoy clear sound and voice pickup, even in noisy surroundings. The dual microphone system ensures your calls are heard loud and clear. Hear every note with balanced audio performance that sounds great at any volume. Whether it's quiet listening or loud enjoyment, the sound remains consistent and rich. Pairing is a breeze with hassle-free Bluetooth. Plus, personalize your settings and get future updates through the Bose Connect app for an ever-improving experience. Discover Bose AR, an innovative audio-only version of augmented reality. Explore new ways to experience your world through sound. What we like. Immerse yourself in sound with world-class noise cancellation you can adjust to your surroundings. Access music and information hands-free. If you seek a comfortable, reliable pair of headphones with customizable noise cancellation and voice assistant access, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The noise cancellation is excellent, it blocks out almost all ambient sound, making it perfect for commuting or working in noisy environments. The sound quality is superb, with clear highs and deep bass, providing an immersive listening experience. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 30 hours on a single charge with noise cancellation enabled. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Switch Kit. Tired of fumbling for light switches in the dark? Simply plug your lamp into this device and place the remote by the door. It's the perfect solution for any room, ensuring you always have light when you need it. The included remote offers flexible control. Mount it on the wall, in a J-box, or simply place it on a table. Enjoy convenient access to your lighting from wherever you sit. Whether you prefer a soft glow or a simple on-off, this device adapts to your needs. Easily switch between dimming and standard switch functionality with a simple button press. Unlock even more possibilities by adding a Lutron Caseta hub. Control your lights with your voice through popular smart assistants or set custom schedules and scenes via the app. Feel secure knowing your home is always lit. Enable the Smart Away feature to simulate occupancy, making it appear as if you're home even when you're not. This smart dimmer plugs into any standard outlet, providing intelligent control for up to 2 floor or table lamps. Enjoy effortless management of your plug-in lighting. What we like. Transform your lamps into smart devices with this easy-to-use kit. Control them wirelessly and integrate with your smart home ecosystem. If you want to add smart dimming and on-off control to your existing lamps without complex wiring, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The noise cancellation is excellent, blocking out most ambient sounds. Sound quality is superb, with clear highs and deep bass. Comfortable for long listening sessions, the ear cups are soft and the headband is well padded. Number 1. Sony WH-1000XM5 Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones. Immerse yourself in your audio with industry-leading noise cancellation. These headphones create a personal oasis of sound, blocking out distractions for pure listening pleasure. Stay connected with exceptional call quality. The built-in microphone ensures your voice is heard clearly, even in noisy environments. Manage your music, get information, and control your device hands-free. Access Alexa or your preferred voice assistant with a simple command. Enjoy like-new performance with this certified refurbished unit. It has been fully tested and shows minimal signs of wear, ensuring reliability. Your purchase is protected with a 90-day warranty. This provides confidence and assurance in your investment. Discover the acclaimed audio quality of these headphones, now available in a certified refurbished condition. They deliver an exceptional listening experience. What we like. Get top-tier noise cancellation at a great value with this certified refurbished model. Enjoy like-new performance and a reliable warranty. If you're looking for the premium noise-canceling experience of these popular headphones but want to save money, this is a smart option. What people say. The noise cancellation is excellent, blocking out most ambient sounds. Sound quality is superb, with clear highs and deep bass. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 30 hours on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.